So today we will be building a mini version of this Titanic. I have been a Titanic fan for a couple years, and I've done a bunch of different Titanics. So I'll show you the back of it now. And here is the nice steps, the jail, the map for telling everyone where they are on their journey. And then nice steps, the smokestacks, and there is this falling out window. So all these are the pieces you'll need. Start with this piece and put these two pieces on. Put another two pieces on and add another piece like that on the other end, and it is an edge over. And then take a piece like this, hook it on the bottom, and take this piece and hook it on. Take two more pieces, white, and hook them beside and on top of the piece. And now take this piece and put it on top of the black, and take another piece like this and put it on. And take a piece like this and put two of them beside each other on it. And take pieces like this and put them on top of the yellow. And take these two yellow pieces and put them beside each other like that. And then take pieces like this and put them on the Titanic.